I fell in love with emergency nursing kasi feeling ko all-in-one na siya. Like, ang lahat ng specialties andun sa ED. Like, for example, you can cater maternity patients, psychiatric patients, surgical patients, even
because
ICU
it's very unpredictable.
patients. So, tayo talaga yung starting point ng lahat.
First line of defense.
The face of
The hospital.
emergency. So, yun, parang feeling ko, yun nga, as I've mentioned, yung adrenaline rush. And feeling ko, iba yung fulfillment na nabibigay ng ED sa akin compared, I've worked in ward also. I've been a respiratory nurse, maternity and child nurse. Ang dami ko nang naikutan. But I felt like I'm meant to be on ED.
Yeah. You will know. You will know. I think
it's where my heart is.
Yeah.
I think even
because I think as well, you will know naman when you step into the ano pa lang, like in the department. Ako personally, when I stepped into A&E, it was very chaotic because it was in the middle of COVID. I knew that I was in the right place. I loved it straight away.
Yeah.
I can't imagine myself going back to ward nursing. No offense to anyone. Being in the ward is so difficult.
Yeah.
That's why we want A&E. It takes endurance to be in the ward. Okay, I salute all the ward nurses or
that's true.
any specialties talaga. Because as well, you've noticed, minsan may napupull out from ward to ED. Minsan nag-ano talaga sila. Like, they don't want to be in A&E. Because A&E is really...
And they would ask you, why are you here?
Yeah, that they're not jealous of us. Because instead na